We are making an origami squirrel. For this, first take a square piece of paper. Now fold the four corners of the paper inwards. Again, fold these four corners to make larger triangles. Now, flip the paper upside down to bring the plain side upwards. By folding the two corners on the same side, make two creases once again. Now, fold these two sides lengthwise upwards along the center crease. Now hold the folded paper and lift from the right side. Similarly, fold to make a crease and unfold this crease. Now, press the tip inwards and make a fold. Lift the left corner and fold it downwards to make a crease once again. Slowly unfolding this crease, lift from the tip and fold towards the outside. Now lift upwards to keep in a vertical position with the broad end below and narrow end at the top. Next, fold the tip of the narrow end inwards. Holding from the base, slowly lift the side folds upward and outward to make the hands. Use a black marker pen to make the eyes, and your origami squirrel is completely ready.